Hello, everyone. So, this will be the continuation of our study on emerging technology, specifically the geographic information system. Okay, so let us now see the outline of our presentation. We only have four. No, let us define and look for the importance. Why is that GIS is important? Okay, its overview, some popular GIS software, and each strengths and weaknesses, of each popular GIS software. So again, the definition of GIS, no, it's a technology that captures, analyzes, and visualizes spatial and geographical data. Yun lang naman yan. No, pinag-aaralan dito kung ano ba ang meron sa isang land, sa isang area, no? And at the same time, tinitignan natin kung ano ba ang merong mga attributes dito sa lugar na to or specific landmark, no, specific coordinates. That's GIS, no? GIS is crucial in urban planning, environmental management, disaster response, and numerous other fields. Ano naman ang GIS software? So, GIS software, no, is a powerful technology that facilitates the collection, storage, analysis, and visualization of spatial data. Okay? So, siya sa kanya ginagawa or nagagawa or napag-aaralan yung iba't ibang data tungkol sa isang mga kalupaan or spatial data, no? Doon na-visualize, doon sinesave, doon nilalagay, doon ina-analyze, okay? It enables users to integrate various types of geographical information, providing a comprehensive understanding of the relationships and patterns within a given area. GIS software plays a pivotal role in transforming raw geographic data into actionable insights, making it an indispensable tool for professionals across diverse industries. So, lahat ng connections ng mga spatial data natin dun inilalagay na nagbibigay sa atin ng information about some geographic data. Nang sa ganon, magawa natin ng plano or ano bang dapat natin gawin para para sa isang specific area, no? So that's the use or what GIS software is. Okay? So we have three types of GIS software: desktop-based, web-based, and mobile. In desktop, no, desktop GIS refers to software installed on local computers, no, allowing users to perform complex spatial analysis, create maps, and manage geographic data. Like the example here is the ArcGIS, ARCGIS. And we also have the Quantum GIS or the QGIS. Those are some of the desktop-based GIS software. We also have web-based. When we say web-based, it operates through the internet browsers. Okay. For example, ArcGIS Online. We also have the Google Earth. So those are the web-based GIS. Okay. The third one is the mobile-based. Mobile GIS involves application design for portable devices, such as smartphones, tablets, allowing users to collect, update, and analyze geographic information in the field. For example, yung Google Earth sa ating mga mobile phones, no? Pwede rin naman yung GPS Essentials, yan. Tawag dito. Yung nagka-capture ng mga coordinates. So, those are the mobile-based GIS software. Okay? We have the desktop, the web-based, and the mobile types of GIS software. So ano ba ang importance ng GIS software? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 importance of GIS software. The for spatial analysis, for data integration, decision and support, resource management, emergency response, infrastructure planning, environmental monitoring. So ano ba ang spatial analysis? So GIS software enables spatial analysis, allowing users to uncover patterns, relationships, and trends within geographic data. This is crucial for informed decision making in fields such as urban planning and environmental management. For example, sa ARC kasi meron siyang tinatawag na spatial analysis tool, no? With the use of that spatial analysis tool, Urban planners can analyze the population distribution, identify possible locations of of new projects, new buildings, new facilities, and assess and the assessment of impact of infrastructure changes on a city's spatial dynamics. So kasi, aside from ARC and Q, they have this ability, no? These softwares to analyze kung saan-saan ba yung mga residential area, saan ba yung mga commercial area. Pag alam mo yun, you have the ability to to build something that could help those areas develop or grow. For example, sa Wesleyan University, Philippines, merong location doon na maraming tambayan, ba? Merong population doon. So with the use of GIS software, no, makikita natin yung pattern na kung saan during lunch pala maraming tumatambay dito ng mga estudyante. Pag alam na natin 'yon, pwede na natin maglagay ng mga facilities. For example, since tambayan siya, pwede maglagay ng canteen, di ba? So that's an example of spatial analysis software. Okay? Next one is data integration. By integrating diverse data sets, no, GIS software helps create a comprehensive view of geographic phenomena. This integration supports a holistic understanding of complex issues, aiding in problem solving and planning. For example, QGIS allows users to integrate diverse datasets such as satellite imagery, census data, and environmental factors, creating a comprehensive spatial database for a region. No? This integrated data aids in holistic understanding of the landscape. So that's data integration. Ano? Kapag ka napagsama-sama mo lahat ng iba't ibang datasets, for example, census or population data, nakapaglagay ka ng satellite imagery, nakita mo yung iba't ibang environmental factors, pag pinagsama-sama mo yon, makikita mo kung ano ba ang meron sa isang specific location, sa isang geographic landscape na tinatawag. So that's data integration. Iba't ibang data types ang pwede mong pagsama-samahin dyan sa GIS software to give you a more comprehensive view of geographic phenomena. So that's data integration. The third one is the decision support. Ano naman itong decision support na to? GIS software provides a platform for decision support by visualizing data in the form of maps and charts. This aids in communicating complex information to stakeholders and facilitates better informed decision making. For example, yung map box, yung map box na tinatawag, it provides decision support by allowing its users to create interactive maps and visualizations. Urban planners, for instance, can use these visualizations to communicate proposed changes in land use to city officials and the public. Okay, so when you have this data integrated in your GIS software, you can now have the ability to produce or to generate maps according to your preference. With that, mabi-visualize mo na yung data na meron dun sa isang lugar. Paano yon? Magpuproduce ka ng mapa, magpuproduce ka ng maps, ng charts. Then, kung anong meron data doon sa iyong mapa, it will now help the authority for their decision. No? Halimbawa, sa ginawa mong mapa is, ito palang area na to is flood prone or landslide prone. Siyempre, makikita nila, ito pala ibig sabihin ng mapa na to. Then, makakatulong ito sa kanilang decision making na, okay, maglagay tayo dito ng slope protection, maglagay tayo dito ng dike. So, those are how GIS software supports in decision making. Okay? Number 4 is resource management. Ano naman itong resource management na to? So, in natural resource management, GIS software assists saan? In monitoring and optimizing resource utilization. This includes applications in forestry, agriculture, water resource management, and many more. For example, no, in agriculture, no, GIS is utilized to analyze satellite imagery, helping farmers to monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and manage resource efficiently for increased agricultural productivity. Okay, dito naman sa Philippine setup natin, ginagamit naman ng GIS when it comes siya correct in agriculture, kung saan pinapakita doon kung saan ba pwedeng dumaan yung irrigation canal. At the same time, ipapakita doon yung area ng isang crop. Then we can now predict or project kung gaano karaming harvest ang may puproduce ng ganong hektarya, ng ganong area. And at the same time, kapag ka nakita ng GIS na itong area na ito is manggahan, for example, or forest in land classification, we can now have this idea na we have to protect this forest, no? We have to spread some cultivating mechanisms para sa mga mangga, for example, no? That helps them in bountiful harvest, no? So that's resource management when it comes to in the Philippines agriculture and forestry, no? Sa irrigation din, sa water resource management. Next one is emergency response. Yes, software plays a critical role in disaster management by providing real-time data and mapping analysis. Okay? Okay, so let us continue. This aids in planning and executing emergency response operations effectively. For example, no, during a natural disaster such as typhoon, no, organizations use Quantum GIS or ArcGIS Online to map real-time data on affected areas. It also can give us evacuation routes and emergency shelters or critical facilities, no, and coordinated response efforts. Okay? So in the Philippines, sa local government unit aspect, no, we really use GIS in emergency responses. For example, pinaplat namin kung saan ba yung accident prone area para nang sa ganon during for example summer vacation Oplan Sumba, doon kami magde-deploy malapit sa accident prone area. At the same time, kung saan ang flood prone area, sila ang unang i-rescue during floods, for example, during landslide, no? So that's how GIS is important. GIS software is important to emergency response. Okay, at the same time during for example, meron kang event, no? Gagamitin yung entire highway ninyo. So gagawa ka ng mapa ng alternate routes. So that's also how GIS software is being used, no? And how is it important in emergency response. Okay? The next one is infrastructure planning. Urban planners and engineers use GIS software for infrastructure planning, including the design of transportation networks, utilities, and land use planning. Okay? Here, the setup here in the local government unit is that the city engineering employed by civil engineers or other professionals, they design transportation networks, including roads and bridges, and with consideration for optimal functionality and safety. For example, sa city of Palayan, no, we have here using the Google Earth, we have the road networks, no? Pag kinuha namin yung data ng road networks sa Google Earth, makikita namin doon kung saan yung konkreto ng kalsada, doon namin makikita ko yung lugar na hindi pa konkreto. With that, makakapagplano yung city engineering namin, city engineer's office, na okay, ito palang portion na to ng barangay is not yet paved. Let's allot a budget. Let's allot budget here para makumpleto na tong kalsada na to. So that's how GIS software helps in infrastructure planning. Yun lang naman ang sample na, na pwede kong ibigay sa inyo, no? Yung concreting kasi yun talaga ang gamit sa amin, no? Environmental monitoring, I think is the same as resource management, no? GIS tools are essential for monitoring environmental changes such as deforestation, climate patterns, and habitat loss. This data is in conservation efforts and sustainable development. So those are the importance of GIS software. Again, spatial analysis, data integration, decision support, resource management, emergency response, infrastructure planning, and environmental planning. Okay. So here are some of the most popular GIS software. ArcGIS, QuantumGIS, and Google Earth. Ano ba itong ArcGIS na to? Okay? So it is developed by Esri, no? Meron itong acronym ito but sorry, hindi ko alam. S3 it is a comprehensive geographic information system software suite. It provides a powerful platform for mapping, spatial analysis, and data management. No? RGS is widely recognized as an industry standard GIS tool, offering a broad range of capabilities for professionals across various domains. Ano ba ang main or key features ng ArcGIS? Unang-una, advanced mapping. ArcGIS enables the creation of intricate and visually compelling maps, allowing users to represent spatial data with precision and clarity. Next one is spatial analysis tools. With an extensive set of spatial analysis tools, ArcGIS supports in-depth exploration of geographic patterns, relationships, and trends. Okay? And last is the data management. The software excels in managing diverse datasets, ensuring efficient organization and accessibility. So those are the three key features of ArcGIS: advanced mapping, spatial analysis tool, and data management. Next one is Quantum GIS. Ano naman itong Quantum GIS ito? So, it is a robust open source desktop GIS software. Open source itong Quantum GIS. Unlike ArcGIS, hindi siya open source, no? Itong Quantum is open source. It provides a user-friendly interface combined with array of features, making it a popular choice for researchers, educators, and professionals who require powerful geospatial capabilities without the constraints of proprietary software. Again, these are the key features of Quantum GIS. Number one is open source, no? Allowing users to access and modify the source code. This fosters collaboration and supportive community of users. So that's number one, open source. Number two is plugin support. The software supports a range of plugins, enhancing its functionality and allowing users to customize their GIS software. Okay, so marami kasing mga plugins available in QGIS. No? Later on sa ating laboratory, gagamit tayo ng mga plugins. Okay? Next one is user-friendly interface. QGIS is known for its intuitive interface, making it accessible to beginners while offering advanced features for experienced users. Last one is Google Earth. No? Google Earth is a virtual globe map and geographical information program. It allows users to what? Explore the world in 3D, providing satellite imagery maps and terrain information. Google Earth is designed for a broad audience from casual users to professionals in various industries. So alam naman natin, si Google Earth, meron siyang ability na pag i-drop mo yung human icon sa kanyang user interface, magkakaroon ka na ng 3D map. Okay? So that's the goods, tawag dito, the importance or ability ng Google Earth. To continue, these are the three key features of Google Earth. Number one is, again, 3D visualization. Google Earth provides a captivating 3D visualization of the Earth's surface, no? Allowing users to explore landscapes, buildings, and geographical features. So sa totoo naman, ginagamit natin ang Google Earth para malaman kung saan ba malapit yung ganitong area, saan malapit yung ganitong lugar. Meron kasi tayo doon may iba't ibang buildings na pwede natin gamitin as landmark, no? So that's 3D visualization. Next one is imagery database. The software integrates a vast database of high-resolution satellites imagery and aerial photographs, offering a detailed view of locations around the globe. Yes, kapag ka tayo magta-travel at hindi natin alam yung pupuntahan natin, aside from Waze, aside from other GIS software, no, Google Earth ang ginagamit natin or Google Map, no, para i-trace yung daan na pupuntahan natin, di ba? Pag zoom in, zoom out natin, meron siya mga pictures, no, na ating nagagamit to find and view locations around a specific area in the Philippines or around the globe. So that's number 2. The third one is integration with Google services. Google Earth seamlessly integrates with other Google services, enhancing user experience and accessibility. So aside from integration with Google services, the Google Earth itself and its file format can be used with other popular GIS software. For example, yung Arc, pwedeng gamitin yung extension ng Google. Yung Quantum, pwede rin gamitin for example, yung Quantum, gagamitin din yung file format ng Google Earth. So, yan yung integration with other services aside from Google itself. Okay? So, those are the popular GIS software, no? The ArcGIS, the Quantum GIS, and the Google Earth. So, let us now proceed with the strengths and weaknesses. Okay? So, ano ba ang strength ng ArcGIS? We have here 246, robust functionality, extensive geospatial data support, industry standard, effective visualization tools, interoperability, and global user community support. So, ano ba itong robust functionality na to? Okay? ArcGIS is known for its extensive functionality, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for mapping, spatial analysis, and data management. So, last time when I used ArcGIS, wala yata siyang plugin na tinatawag. Pero, kumpleto na kasi si ArcGIS. Nandun na lahat ng kailangan mong tools, nandun na lahat ng kailangan mong support, nandun na rin lahat ng kailangan mong mga tabs and navigations, no? So that's how ArcGIS is functioning, no? The software, no, provides advanced geoprocessing tools, no, allowing users to perform complex spatial analysis such as overlay, buffering, and network analysis. Itong buffering na to and network analysis sa Quantum GIS hindi pa siya kasama. So pwede tayo mag-install ng plugin, no, para ma-maximize yung usage ng Quantum. Anyway, let us continue. The strengths of ArcGIS, no? Extensive geospatial data support. ArcGIS has strong support for a wide range of geospatial data formats, enabling users to seamlessly integrate and work with diverse datasets. For example, users can import and analyze data ranging from satellite imagery and GPS data into CAD files and other GDB or geodatabases. Okay? So si Art, nababasa niya naman yung mga satellite image, Nababasa niya rin naman yung mga GPS data. Nababasa niya rin naman yung mga CAD files. Nababasa niya rin yung mga geodatabases. So, all in all, those are built in sa ArcGIS. However, sa isa, kailangan mo pa na mag-install ng iba't ibang plugin. So, that's extensive geodata support. Next one is industry standard. ArcGIS has established itself as industry standard GIS tool, widely adopted across various sectors, including government, environmental management, and urban planning. So, that's industry standard na tinatawag. They have set their standards. They have set their names in the field of GIS. Okay? And for example, many government agencies and large organizations use ArcGIS for managing and analyzing spatial data. Last 2019, I think, before COVID, uh, yung CLSU, Central Luzon State University, they are using ArcGIS, no? Yun ang ginagamit nilang pagmamapa, yung saan ba yung sa ano environment planning yun yung pinagagamitan nila sa CLSU. Anyway, the next one is effective visualization tools, no? ArcGIS provides powerful tools for creating visually compelling maps, no? Enhancing the communication of spatial information. So, since kompleto ng visualization tools ang ArcGIS, pwede ka nang mag-produce or mag-generate ng iba't ibang mapa. Okay? Again, unlike the other one, plug-in support pa rin yan. Puro plug-in yan. No? For example, they can users using ArcGIS, no, they can easily create thematic maps, use different symbologies, use different styles to convey complex spatial patterns. So that's effective visualization tools. Next one is interoperability with other S3 products. ArcGIS seamlessly integrates with other S3 products, creating a cohesive geospatial ecosystem. For example, meron silang ArcGIS desktop, ArcGIS online, no? With ArcGIS, you can easily share your data with those two, no? With ArcGIS desktop, Arc online, ensuring smooth collaboration and data accessibility. Sa Quantum GIS, meron din naman siyang iba't ibang product, but mas common kasi yung ginagamit natin is yung Quantum GIS desktop, no? Meron din naman siyang ibang interoperational ability sa iba't ibang software. However, since ArcGIS is the standard, syempre alam natin na mas smooth talaga ang collaboration sa ArcGIS. Okay? Last one is the global user community support. Ano naman ito? ArcGIS benefits from a large and active user community, providing resources, forums, and support for users worldwide. For example, no, meron tayong mga forums, meron tayong mga Facebook groups, meron tayong mga threads sa GitHub, Reddit, no? We can ask them for troubleshooting, we can ask them for their best practices, we can also seek their advices. Nandun lahat ng GIS professionals, no? So those are the strengths of ArcGIS: robust functionality, extensive geospatial data support, industry standard effective visualization tools, interoperability, and global user support. So let us continue on our discussion about the weaknesses of ArcGIS. Okay? Number one is the costly for full features. Since ArcGIS is featureful or marami siyang iba't ibang features na kompleto na siya, no? It may come at high cost. No? Again, as far as I'm concerned, 3 million pesos ang license per user ng ArcGIS. Okay? So that's costly for small organizations, no? Next one is steep learning curve. Sa mga beginners, no, medyo mahirap itong pag-aralan because of the fact that napakadami niyang functionality at the same time yung kasing kanyang interface napaka-intricate, napaka-complex. So the learning curve is hard, no? Napakahirap. Not totally napakahirap, but if you have background on GIS software, for example, Q, no? Medyo siguro meron kang chance na mapadali or madaling matutunan yung ArcGIS. For example, no, lahat ng mga users ng GIS may find it challenging to navigate software and utilize advanced tools without comprehensive training. So that's steep learning curve. Ano naman ang limited open source collaboration, no? ArcGIS again is a proprietary software, no? Limiting collaboration with open source GIS platforms and hindering interoperability with non-S3 tools. For example, users relying on open source software may face challenges integrating ArcGIS data with their preferred platforms, no? Ito kasing ArcGIS is premium, no? May bayad siya. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya ganun kadali makipag-collaborate, hindi siya gano'n kadaling i-integrate sa iba't ibang GIS software, no? So, yung collaboration niya with other open source GIS software is limited. Okay? That's number 3. And number 4 is resource intensive, no? ArcGIS can be resource intensive, requiring powerful hardware for optimal performance, which may be constrained for users with limited computing resources. For example, meron siyang napakalaking datasets. So, pagka meron kang malaking datasets, and if you want to generate information from it, no, using those datasets, medyo mabigat ang kailangan na computational or processing power ng iyong PC or ng iyong desktop. Okay? So that's resource intensive. Malaking hardware components ang kanyang kailangan. I think yung kasing ginagamit namin PC sa opisina, nasa akin is worth nasa 100,000. So, doon pa lang sa PC na yun, medyo hirap na rin siya mag-generate ng map sa ARC since talagang ginagamitan siya ng mataas na computing power. Anyway, let us continue on number 5, no, dependency on S3 ecosystem. Users heavily invested in ARC may find themselves dependent on what? On S3 ecosystem, limiting their flexibility to explore alternative GIS solutions. So, like Apple, no, meron siyang iba't ibang product in Apple. At the same time, meron siyang ecosystem o tinatawag na Apple ecosystem. Ngayon dito, sa mapping sa GIS, meron din siyang tinatawag na S3 ecosystem kung saan mas suit sa kanya or mas fit sa kanya yung other S3 products or GIS solutions coming from S3. Okay? So, kapag ang organizations dependent na sa S3 or ArcGIS, hirap na silang makipagtulungan or gumamit ng ibang GIS software outside S3. Okay? So that's dependency on S3 ecosystem. Number 6 is updates and license management. Managing software updates and licenses for a large user base can be complex, leading to potential disruptions in workflows. So for companies, big companies that are using S3 or ArcGIS, if you are into updating and licensing, no, medyo mabigat, no? That's why you have to execute those updates in a careful manner to avoid disruptions and to avoid downtimes during the software maintenance process. So those are the weaknesses of ArcGIS. Number 1 is expensive or costly for full features. Steep learning curve, limited open source collaboration, resource intensive dependency on S3 ecosystem, and updates and license management.